Hey guys, I'm Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk to you guys a little bit about where I get my Poshmark supplies. Now, if you are selling a lot every day, you are probably going to want to order your Poshmark supplies, and I have several links down below where you can do that. I have an entire page dedicated to the supplies that I order for my Poshmark closet. But if you are just starting out, or if you run out of something and just need to get something really quick until you have time to order stuff and get it shipped to you, then I'm going to show you several things today that I buy at Dollar Tree that I actually use in my Posh packages. So I'm going to go right into it. The first thing that I like to buy at Dollar Tree is tape. This is the Scotch brand. It is $1. Everything that I'm going to show you today is $1. But I just like to grab this whenever I am at the Dollar Tree. I will pick it up just to have on hand, not just for Poshmark, but for everyday life. This is probably the cheapest place that I've seen the name brand tape. Another thing that I like to buy at Dollar Tree is these party loot bags. If you can see, this is a cute little pink pattern here. They look like this, but these are really cute and really inexpensive things that you can pack stuff in, to ship it, to wrap it, just to make it look a little bit more pretty for your Poshmark packages. Another thing that I like to buy at Dollar Tree is packing tape. I've actually found it's $1 a roll at Dollar Tree. So I've actually found it cheaper on Amazon before, just depending on who has it on sale. I do have that linked down below if you're more interested in ordering your packing tape. But if you run out or if you need some, this is plenty good quality, enough to ship clothes with or shoes. If you are shipping heavier items, like if you sell on other platforms, on eBay, if you're shipping something heavy, I would probably go with a heavier tape than the Dollar Tree packing tape, just because want that extra support. But this is perfectly fine for shipping clothes, shoes, lightweight items. I've been using it since I started 4 or 5 years ago, and I've never had any issues with it. Great quality tape just for shipping and making sure your packages are reinforced and everything like that. Another thing that I like to pick up at the Dollar Tree is detergent for the clothes that I'm washing, like for thrifted clothes. If you are washing your thrifted clothes and your source clothes, you don't necessarily need to spend a ton of money on the detergent or fabric softener or anything like that. They have plenty of it at the Dollar Tree, because you're probably not going to be washing as much as you do like your normal clothes. So you don't need to go out and spend a ton of money on expensive detergent. This is a name brand detergent that I found at Dollar Tree that works just fine. It is $1. It does 6 loads, I think. Just something super cheap that you can pick up if you don't want to use like your expensive detergent that you're washing your own clothes with. Another thing that I will pick up at the Dollar Tree are lint rollers. I keep these on hand whenever I'm photographing, just to kind of make everything look a little bit better. Getting those like lint, stray hairs, stray threads, things like that. These work perfectly fine. Honestly, these ones, if you can see, let me get it to focus. There we go. These work actually better than name brand lint rollers that I have tried. So you get a mini one and a big one in a pack of 2 for $1. So I thought that was pretty good. It has 50 sheets on the bigger one and 30 sheets on the smaller one. So plenty of sheets for $1 to lint roll your stuff with. You don't need to spend a lot of money on stuff like this. I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff like this. Another thing that I will pick up at Dollar Tree is storage bins. They have these cloth storage bins that they sell for $1. I like to put things like accessories, jewelry, ties, smaller things in here. Just things that you don't really have a spot for, and you don't really want to throw them in a big giant bin with everything else, or you can't hang them up. I keep these. They go easily on your closet shelf, or if you have like the cube shelves. These are great for picking up to store your smaller items. Something else that I found at, if I can get this, something else that I found at Dollar Tree the other day that I already opened, but these are hooks. They do have adhesive on the back of them. Make sure you get the ones that say self-adhesive because they do have some that do not have adhesive on them. But I've been using these to take like clothes hanger photos, just put it on the wall. It's white, it looks nice. And you don't have to go and spend a ton of money for like a command hook. I think they do have command brand hooks sometimes. I got this one because it was a pack of 3 and it holds, if you can see that, so it holds up to 3 pounds. 3 pounds. So that's plenty in terms of what you need to hang clothes on the wall and photograph them. This is really great if you're just starting out and you don't have a photo backdrop or anything like that. You can just hang this on a plain wall in some natural light and you will get awesome photos. These I have talked about before, but I absolutely love them, not just for Poshmark inventory, but for organizing my own clothes, out of season clothes, things like that. These are storage bags. These are very big, kind of like space bags, but they don't you don't vacuum the air out of them. They're just like giant Ziploc bags, basically. But they are excellent quality. These are the large size. You get 3 of these in a box for $1. The extra large, I think, is the next size. Yeah, so they come in 3 sizes. So if you buy the large, you get 3 of them. If you buy the extra large, you get 2 of them for $1, and then the extra large comes in 1 for $1. But these are amazing quality, and I use them almost as much as I use the IKEA bags. If you can get IKEA bags, those are great too. I think they're only $1 at IKEA. It might be less than $1, I'm not really sure. But I like to pick these up because you get multiple in a bag, and they are much, much cheaper than the space bags, and you can put these in your plastic bins, and it makes it a little easier than having to dig through the entire bin of clothes. You can just like pull the bag out, and if you know what's in what bag, like you could label a bin like bin A, then you can label the bags 1, 2, and 3, and then you can put in your Poshmark listing like A2, so you know that that item is in bin A, bag 2, and you can just pull bag 2 out instead of having to dig through the entire bin. So this will help you a ton in terms of organizing and things like that. Something else I pick up at Dollar Tree sometimes, I have been using the self-seal bags that they put in our bags at PoshFest. You Pack and Ship was one of the sponsors at PoshFest. So I have been using their like clear self-seal bags just because they look nicer. But if you are just starting out and you don't really want to invest in like self-seal bags yet, or you're not wearing stuff yet, you get 14 of these in a box for $1 at Dollar Tree. But they just look like this. They're basically just gallon-sized Ziploc bags. And I like these better than the Ziploc brand because they don't have anything on them. They are 100% plain. So I don't really like having like the Ziploc logo or anything like that. If you like ship them, it just doesn't look good to me. But this I feel like looks more professional. It looks more like something that, like if you ordered something from somewhere, it would be shipped in something like this. So this is perfectly fine. Like I said, you get 14 of them for $1. You will save money if you order things in bulk. I will link everything that I use down below that I ordered if you're interested in getting like a bunch at one time. But if you're out or anything like that, just pick these up at Dollar Tree. They are amazing quality, and I've never had any complaints. Just put your item in here with a business card, and your item is protected inside of a poly mailer or a padded flat rate or whatever you choose to mail it in a box. Please buy something like this to put your items in. Please do not put your items just loose in a box or loose in a mailer with nothing protecting them. Like, if any kind of water or anything gets on your items, that will ruin your item, and then your buyer is going to file a case against you, and they're going to win because you didn't protect your item in shipment. So I love these. Also, if you're going to use tissue paper, I personally do not use tissue paper unless I'm like wrapping something in a box. But I always put the item in something like this first and then do the tissue paper, because if any kind of water or anything gets in there, it can like damage your item. Like anything that's on the tissue paper will transfer onto your item, and you don't want that to happen. So these are amazing. The last thing is just gonna be something kind of random. I know a lot of you like to put little like freebies in your Posh packages. I usually pick up like stickers and things like that. Dollar Tree has a ton of cute stickers that you can get, and they have planner stickers, and those are gonna be way better to put in your Posh packages. You're not supposed to put any like mini body washes or perfumes or anything like that in your Posh packages, because those items have to be shipped round. So the Posh priority label does not cover that. So you are not supposed to ship anything liquid like that in your Posh packages. It can ruin your items. And I also don't like to do pins or anything of that nature, because those can also burst in transit, and then that's just gonna make a mess. I have seen tons of people get low feedback because of the free things that they put in their packages. If you do food or anything like that, people don't really like that. So I usually try to pick up like stickers or like hair things or anything like that that's not, you know, if it, like this isn't gonna damage anything if something happens to it. Nothing can happen to this. They're just stickers. People love hair scrunchies, hair ties, things like that. So if it's a guy, I don't even know if you prefer a guy. Probably like a pencil or something like that. Something that's not gonna leak all over something. But anyway, yeah, anything like that, if you just wanna pick up some little bonus items to throw in your Posh packages, cards, note cards, things like that, Dollar Tree is a great place to get just some fun, cute little items that you can't really like order online. So that is my little Dollar Tree haul slash what I use from Dollar Tree, what I recommend for your Posh packages. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a video that would help you out if you are starting, or if you run out of something and you need it and you don't know where to get it. Dollar Tree also has a lot of shipping supplies if you're out of something. Bubble mailers. I don't recommend buying mailers from Dollar Tree on a regular basis, but if you need something, they have like the bigger mailers. They have bubble wrap, they have envelopes, all kinds of stuff. So definitely go check out your Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. If you are interested in more Dollar Tree hauls, I will be posting another one on my other channel, which is more of like a lifestyle channel, not so much like Posh related, just like normal lifestyle stuff. So if you are interested in Dollar Trees, definitely subscribe to that. I will link the other channel down below, and I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I am so glad you are here. I will see you in the next